Hi, I'm Rick with Inspired by Drive, and I'll be talking about the Trotter Mobility Base. Kids with a broad range of diagnoses need a simple, easy to transport, dependent mobility base. The Trotter will allow families to transport their loved ones in a safe and cost-effective mobility base. The Trotter can accommodate many types of diagnoses, from children with no positioning needs to those with greater positioning needs. The Trotter will allow the child to be positioned in an upright midline posture, allowing for easy transportation of the mobility base for the caregivers. The standard model features a newly designed padded seat and back upholstery available in 3 fun colors: Fire Truck Red, Jet Fighter Blue, and Punch Buggy Pink. A new titanium colored folding frame with closure strap that holds the chair shut when folded. Adjustable tension positioning straps for multiple purpose back support and customization to individuals' seating needs. Adjustable seat depth and seat to back angle. Crash tested WC19 for transit with optional transit brackets. 8-inch front casters and 10-inch rear wheels with toggle lock. Curb assist foot pedal facilitates curbside navigation. Posiform pelvic belt and 5-point harness with padded breathable covers. A child in need of a dependent mobility base will also need a positioning chair at home so that they do not have to be in the same base all the time. We offer several different options that may meet these needs. For more information on all our products, please visit www.inspiredbydrive.com.